Over 30 years ago, Sealine was a pioneer of the Flybridge concept for motor yachts. And now, with our new F430, we've done it again. We think she's the best Flybridge yacht in her class. There's every comfort you could want up top, a relaxing cockpit and foredeck, a saloon more akin to a loft apartment, and up to 3 luxurious double cabins. All that in an achingly stylish, impressively sporty package. Twin Volvo Penta IPS pod drives and a stable wave-piercing hull by Bill Dixon make her a fast, thrilling boat to sail. The main Helm station is a piece of designer furniture in its own right. From here, enjoy 360-degree views through floor-to-ceiling windows. Feel the excitement rise as you maneuver easily at speeds up to 32 knots. Volvo's renowned joystick docking system makes coming alongside a breeze. Whether you're in the saloon or on the Flybridge, you arrive in style. With the aesthetics of a boutique hotel, generous hull lights, and plentiful hatches, you'll feel right at home on the F430. Masterful design offers you the choice of 2 extraordinarily spacious cabins, or, in a first for a 43-foot yacht, 3 luxurious doubles. Set the mood with indirect lighting via our exclusive touch-sensitive controller. It's an oasis of calm. Start the day on a high. Both shower rooms exude quiet luxury, with their fine woods, exotic natural stone, and purist fittings. And of course, there is plenty of elegant locker space throughout the boat to keep your clothes looking their best. You can tell it's a Sealine. The saloon offers unparalleled living space. Make it your own masterpiece. Choose furniture and flooring from a range including exclusive shades of oak, walnut, chestnut, and acacia. Choose curtain, carpet, and upholstery colors in real fabric and leather. Change the ambience by turning the Helm seat into an elegant, entertaining space. It's your chance to showcase your design skills. You can monitor and control every system on board from a single screen. And our well-equipped designer galley puts the pleasure back into cooking. With subtle lighting, premium Korean work surfaces, and a 360-degree sea view. There's optional state-of-the-art fusion audio and elegant courtesy lighting. So you can switch on the ambience and entertain friends with unforgettable evenings on board. Open doors and windows to connect inside and out, making memories that last forever. Whether it's a picturesque port or a deserted anchorage, you can choose a different backdrop every time. When the sun rises again, you are truly spoiled. Relax in the comfort of the Flybridge, kick back on the innovative foredeck sun loungers, or seek the cool of the cockpit. Up top is the heart of the new F430. We designed it with your every desire in mind. The fully equipped Helm station gives you the chance to drive with the sun on your face and the breeze on your skin. And though she's wonderfully easy to handle, her speed and agility will take your breath away. Live every daylight moment up here. Settle into the super comfortable seating and make the most of the convenient fridge and integrated grill. Dine al fresco with a view to die for. With a full 1100 litres of fuel, the F430 gives you the freedom to explore. Choose the optional gyro stabilizer. Then find the perfect spot to drop the anchor and relax. Use the grill in the cockpit, or make your own private beach by lowering the sophisticated hydraulic bathing platform. Teak-lined, its retractable ladder automatically adjusts for you. Her deep V-shaped hull and upright stem allow her to cut through the waves for more stability. That means more comfort for you. And the laminated power grid in the bilges gives you a super strong yacht for less weight. So you get up on the plane quicker. More speed, more agility, more comfort, more fun. Let the astonishing new Sealine F430 carry you away to the lifestyle you always dreamt of.